Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to take a look at how to use the Wilcoxon Match Pairs Test using SPSS. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, the Wilcoxon Match Pairs Test is a non-parametric alternative to the t-test for testing related samples. In this example, we have a set of data, different deodorants, whether they were boxed or they didn't come in a box. So what they want to know is whether or not deodorant sells better, whether it comes in a box or it comes without a box. So we're going to go ahead and use SPSS and this data that we've been provided, and we're going to analyze the question so that we can come up with an answer. Now, when we're using the Wilcoxon Match Pair Test, the null hypothesis will typically be that the population differences are zero, meaning there's no difference between the population, whereas the alternative is that the population's differences do not equal zero, meaning that there is a difference in the population averages. So using this data, in SPSS, I have my deodorant, my box data, and my no box data. And I'm going to click Analyze, Non-Parametric Tests, click on Legacy Dialogues. And under Legacy Dialogues, we're going to click on Two Related Samples. Under here, you can see that my variables, I have box and no box, they've been paired. So these are my two related variables that I'm looking at, variable 1 being box, variable 2 is no box. Make sure that the Wilcoxon test type is clicked, and then I'm going to select options and make sure that my descriptive statistics box is checked. And again, this is just for my own edification. You don't have to click that box, but I like to have it just to see my metrics. Click continue, and now I simply click OK, and I have my descriptive statistics for the data. I also have the Wilcoxon signed ranked test, so that information that is in here. Now, the data that we need for our test statistic is our z-score, and then we have the p-value down here. So this is the information that we're going to be used to make the decision whether to reject or fail to reject the null hypothesis. And there you have it.